So we got this iPhone XR where the back glass is smashed, but the main problem with this phone is the power switch. It's not working, as you can see. It's not powering off or on. As you can see here, there is a screws that came out as well here, so that keep this power button intact. So to carry out this mission, we have to take out the screen and we have to take out all these everything, and we'll put it into the new housing. That's what we have here in this one. So all done. You can see the back glass.